Hi, I'm Peter McMullen. I work for NB Southern Railway as a mechanical analyst, and I'm part of the Careers in Motion program.
My name's Sam Kane. I'm the fleet coordinator at Sunbury Transport.
So I'm Amy Price. I'm working at Atlantic Osprey this summer as a naval architect student.
Hi, my name is Saqib Shehzad. I am currently working with MBSR as a junior project coordinator.
I would, if I had the opportunity, I'd definitely come back to JDI.
I would for sure. It's a great place to work.
Oh, I'd love the opportunity to come back.
Absolutely will.
The other CIM students have been awesome all summer. Even though we don't see each other a ton outside of work events, there's definitely an atmosphere of fun, and we all get along really well, so that's really cool. I think that Irving does a really impressive job of hiring